Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to take out a Jeep Grand Cherokee battery. Before you begin, always prioritize safety. Make sure your vehicle is completely off and cool to the touch. Gather all your tools, including a wrench and safety gear. Remember, the battery is located under the passenger seat, so you'll need to access that area first. Once you have access, the next step is to disconnect the battery terminals. Always start by disconnecting the negative terminal first. This is crucial for safety. After that, you can proceed to disconnect the positive terminal. You will typically need a wrench to loosen the bolts on the terminal clamps. Be careful not to touch both terminals at once. With the terminals disconnected, you can now remove the battery itself. First, unfasten any hold-down clamps or straps securing the battery in its tray. These prevent the battery from moving while driving. Batteries are quite heavy, so lift it carefully to avoid injury. Once removed, take a moment to inspect the battery tray for any signs of corrosion or damage. When installing a new battery or reinstalling the old one, ensure the tray and terminals are clean. Place the battery securely in its designated spot. For connection, the order is reversed. Connect the positive terminal first, then the negative terminal. Double-check all connections to ensure they are tight and secure. This completes the battery removal and installation process.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.